Seniors, unlock your health. The nutty truth about snacking. Are you ready to crack the code to healthier snacking? Discover which nuts can boost your well-being and which ones to approach with caution. Let's dive into the world of nuts and uncover their secrets for a vibrant, healthy you. Nuts are more than just a tasty snack. They're a nutritional powerhouse packed with goodness. They offer a wealth of healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, all essential for maintaining optimal health as we age. Choosing the right nuts can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. This guide will help you navigate the nutty landscape and make informed choices for a healthier, happier you. Let's explore the Fantastic Four, nuts that offer incredible benefits for seniors. These nuts are packed with nutrients that can support your cognitive function, bone health, and overall vitality. Walnuts are a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, essential for maintaining cognitive function. These healthy fats play a crucial role in brain health and can help keep your mind sharp. Studies suggest that omega-3s may reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Incorporating walnuts into your diet could be a delicious way to support your brain health as you age. Walnuts also contain antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, protecting your cells from damage. This makes them a powerful ally in maintaining overall health and well-being. Almonds are a good source of vitamin E, magnesium, and calcium, all vital for maintaining strong bones. These nutrients work together to support bone health and prevent osteoporosis. Calcium and magnesium are particularly important for seniors at risk of osteoporosis. Almonds can be a delicious and convenient way to boost your intake of these essential minerals. Vitamin E in almonds contributes to healthy skin and a strong immune system. Enjoying a handful of almonds daily can help you stay healthy and vibrant. Pistachios are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats, making them a nutritional powerhouse. These nutrients offer a range of health benefits, from regulating blood sugar to promoting healthy cholesterol. The fiber in pistachios helps regulate blood sugar levels, making them a great snack for those managing diabetes. They can help keep your blood sugar stable and prevent spikes. Pistachios also contribute to eye health thanks to their lutein and zeaxanthin content. These antioxidants protect your eyes from age-related macular degeneration. Brazil nuts are known for their high selenium content, a mineral essential for thyroid function. Selenium plays a crucial role in regulating metabolism and supporting overall health. Selenium also boosts the immune system and acts as an antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage. A strong immune system is vital for seniors to fight off infections and stay healthy. However, moderation is key with Brazil nuts. Due to their high selenium content, it's best to limit your intake to 1 to 2 nuts per day to avoid exceeding the recommended daily allowance. While nuts offer numerous health benefits, some should be approached with caution. Understanding the potential drawbacks of certain nuts can help you make informed choices and avoid potential health issues. Cashews are relatively high in sodium, especially if they are salted. This can be a concern for seniors watching their sodium intake or managing hypertension. Consuming salted cashews sparingly is recommended, or opting for unsalted varieties is a better choice. Unsalted cashews still offer the nutritional benefits without the added sodium. Seniors with hypertension should be particularly mindful of their sodium intake. High sodium levels can exacerbate high blood pressure and increase the risk of heart disease. Macadamia nuts are high in fat, although mostly monounsaturated, which are considered healthy fats. These fats are beneficial for heart health and overall well-being. However, macadamia nuts are also high in calories. Consuming them in excess can contribute to weight gain, which can be a concern for some seniors. Enjoy macadamia nuts in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Being mindful of portion sizes can help you reap the benefits without the added calories. Heavily salted nuts should generally be avoided, especially by seniors with high blood pressure or those on sodium-restricted diets. Excess sodium can exacerbate existing health conditions. High blood pressure is a common concern among seniors, and excess sodium can worsen the condition. Choosing unsalted or lightly salted nuts is a healthier option. Those on sodium-restricted diets should carefully read labels and avoid nuts with added salt. Maintaining a healthy sodium intake is crucial for managing various health conditions. Some nuts, like walnuts, contain compounds that may interact with certain medications. It's essential to be aware of potential interactions and consult with your doctor or pharmacist. For example, walnuts contain compounds that may interact with blood thinners. This can affect the effectiveness of the medication and potentially lead to complications. Always consult with your doctor or pharmacist before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you are taking medications. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual health needs. Nuts can be a valuable addition to a senior's diet, providing essential nutrients and health benefits. However, it's crucial to choose the right nuts and be mindful of potential drawbacks. Consider your individual health conditions, dietary restrictions, and potential drug interactions when selecting nuts. Making informed choices can help you enjoy the benefits of nuts without compromising your health. Remember, a balanced diet and mindful snacking are key to maintaining optimal health as you age. Embrace the power of nuts, but do so wisely and with your health in mind. Ready to take control of your health and start snacking smarter? Download our free guide to healthy snacking for seniors. It's packed with tips, recipes, and more information to help you make the best choices for your well-being. Click the link in the description below to download your free guide today and embark on your journey to a healthier, happier you. Don't wait, your health is worth it.